Hearty congratulations to Joaquin Phoenix for winning the Best Actor of the Year award at the Oscar Awards ceremony held at a Dolby Theater in Los Angeles, California yesterday. Along with many other surprises was the Best Movie of the Year award, which went to the South Korean movie Parasite. It beat Once Upon a Time in Hollywood and 1917, two very prominent movies, to become the first non-English movie to win the Best Movie of the Year award. And we also had Renee Zellweger winning the Best Actress award at the Oscar Awards held yesterday in Los Angeles. So many surprises in terms of the Academy Awards yesterday, but definitely not to be forgotten was Elton John for his scintillating performance and his very famous song with Karen Egerton, "I'm in Love with Me," won him the best original song of the year at the Academy Awards held last night. So hearty congratulations also to Elton John. He continues his good work over the years, and tremendous singing by this star, and he has a fan following all over the world, but I think well rewarded. Also had some scintillating performances. So interesting Academy Awards last night in Los Angeles. Going forward, we see that gold has been on an upward move in spite of a rather strong dollar. Now the dollar has been going up in the backdrop of a very nice US economic data that has been coming out. We find that the US manufacturing index was over 51.9 as compared to its estimated 48.5 for the month of January. So this, after 5 consecutive months of falling, the US manufacturing index is now finally beginning to rise. Is the world and is United States getting out of the sharp fall in manufacturing activity? Well, I do not think so. This, to the best of my knowledge, this is only an outlier, and the coronavirus scare is going to impact growth all over the world, particularly China. And along with China, you'll find many nations, including the United States, having to pay the price. Now, therefore, you will find that as the coronavirus scare increases across the world, and the latest to get impacted is a country in is Singapore, and you find at Changi Airport, the famous international airport in Singapore, is pretty much deserted now. And the famous Mustafa store, there was talk about people trying to get the basic amenities, and there's a drawdown in the whole store. So economic activity across the world seems to be getting impacted as a result of this virus. Various experts call it only a pandemic so far and not a world calamity. So different scales are being used to define this virus, and I hope for the sake of humanity this stops, because it seems to be going and disturbing economic activity in many parts of the world. Gold in times of uncertainty always goes up, and so we have found it to be going even higher and will continue to do so in spite of a strong dollar. As far as stock markets were concerned, I did say that Monday will be a negative day, and so it has turned out to be so far. Asia has been very much in the red, and so have the Mumbai Sensex and Nifty been falling. You could see some little revival coming in the early parts of the morning tomorrow, just before Europe opens. So something like up to 1 o'clock on Tuesday, you could see some turn and some positivity in the Asian markets, and also in the Indian indices, the Sensex and the Nifty. After Europe opens, you may see again signs of trouble emanating. A reverse will be the case probably on Wednesday. You will see something like up to 11:30 or so a little bit of just a reverse of what you will see tomorrow. Tomorrow you will be seeing positivity, the initial part, and a little bit of negativity that comes in after Europe opens. And Wednesday you will see negativity to start with, but positivity emanate after 11:30 a.m. These are my readings. Little confusing scenario. That's why I did call that there could be a roller coaster ride in the world stock markets this week. But bearing that in mind, do understand that every activity, economic activity, is accompanied by certain greed and fear. And we have seen fear now spread into many parts because of this coronavirus. Greed happens when you find that prices rise much faster than the economic activity allows it or substantiates it. And therefore, we found that most global stock indices were racing past their all-time highs in January. And I did point out from time to time that this looks rather irrational exuberance, as I would like to call it. And there were bound to be a correction that was coming in. So this week, although roller coaster ride, little better. Enjoy the roller coaster ride, but do get ready for a more difficult next week, where you will see almost a one-sided fall in global stock markets. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.